Discover a realm of enchantment and magic, a celebration that transcends time and brings joy to hearts young and old. It's the season when the Château de Vaux-le-Vicomte opens its doors, unveiling a spectacle that turns the magnificent castle into a winter wonderland. As we step into this fairy tale setting, the grandeur begins with the majestic avenue of fir trees, guiding us to a world where the magic of Christmas comes alive. The chateau, typically closed throughout winter, generously invites us to witness its transformation into a magical haven. The warmth of open fires and the opulent decorations of staterooms create an inviting embrace, captivating visitors from the moment they arrive. Inside the Grand Salon is a crystalline dreamscape, adorned with a towering fir tree and a grand New Year's Eve table. The immersive 360-degree projection in this salon takes us back to the festivities of times past, offering a unique glimpse into the historical grandeur of Christmas celebrations. The gardens, illuminated with a radiant glow, host a treasure trove of activities for the entire family. Children can embark on a magical treasure hunt, and everyone can indulge in the simple pleasure of roasting marshmallows by the fire. For those seeking a more traditional exploration, horse-drawn carriage rides through the French gardens are available on weekends and during school vacations. It's a unique and charming way to immerse oneself in the beauty of the surroundings. In essence, Le Grand Noël at Château de Vaux-le-Vicomte isn't just an event. It's an invitation to embark on a journey of discovery and wonder. The enchanting decorations, magical illuminations, and the aroma of fir trees in every corner make it a must-visit on your next trip to France. We hope you enjoyed this video.